Good afternoon, one and all. I am C.R.Chaudhari from Department of Applied Electronics and the S.GB Amravati University, Amravati. Today, I am going to deliver my presentation on the topic Integrated High-Tech Intelligent Security System. So let's start with the introduction. So first of all, what is smart security system? Let's divide this smart security system into two parts, that is a smart and a security system. So a security system which makes a human life easier in a smart way or in a smart manner is known as a smart security system. So in this paper, application software, RFID access control and the voice control mechanism are designed for the automatic gate control system. I designed a system which will be used in all the places without need of a human being. Let's see the existing technology. We have a password door lock system in which we have to enter the password manually to access the particular door. Next one is RFID access control. So in this RFID access control, you don't need to get some password, remember password. You just have to get this card, so it will give you the access to the particular door. Another one is a fingerprint door lock system. So you just don't need to carry this card or remember like password. So you just have to put your finger on the door, so it will give you the access. Another one is app intelligent password lock. In the app intelligent password lock, your smartphone will be works as your key, so you can enter the password in your smartphone and the door will be open for you. In respect to all of this, our Indian traditional system will be very well dependent on the system which is known as a Godrej lock system. Okay, so let's move to the construction review of integrated high-tech intelligent security system. In the construction, this system is divided into two subsystems. First one is a transceiver part and another one is a motor control part. In the transceiver part, we attach the Bluetooth SCDR5 module, RFID transmitter, and voice recognition module to the Arduino, which will be get identified by the Arduino and give you the access to the door. In the second part is the motor driver IC. So through the Arduino, it will decode your password and process some necessary transformation and identify the password and give you the access through this motor driver IC. So I told you this same thing. This is the working model in which I use this Arduino Mega. This is RFID RC522. So you can access your door by this RFID card. Another one is a voice control mechanism through which you can control the opening and closing of your door. Like, have you heard about the story of Alibaba and Chinese store, where the Alibaba used the code that Khulja Sim Sim. So same system is used there, that he used the word Khulja Sim Sim and the door will be open for you. So lastly, this Bluetooth is attached there. So by means of the Bluetooth, you can connect your smartphone and access the door. This is the working flow chart. We have attached this RFID tag, mobile password and a voice message. So these three things works as a key, and we have RFID transceiver, Bluetooth module and a voice recognition module for the identification purpose. The Arduino will get the data from these three systems, that is the RFID and Bluetooth and voice recognition module. So it will get the identification of the data. If the data is correct, then it will go to the motor driver IC and the motor rotates and opens the door for you. If the data is wrong, it will go some again start. You just have to try one more time. This is the application in which our system is used. That is office buildings, home security, bank safety locks, server control rooms, hotels, apartments, garage security, and retail shops. Advantages of this system is accurate link frequency, low production cost. I will tell you the low production cost later. Flexible in use, low power consumption, high sensitivity, simple architecture, long reading range. So future scope. The security of the door will be more complex with the combination of these devices as follows. So RFID, you have to compulsory use the RFID as well as the voice control. So then the mobile password will be an optional one. So for the robust security, you can use this last one, that is RFID plus mobile password plus voice control. So the system will be get more and more secure. This is the result that I have mentioned this low production cost. I have tested this system on two devices, that is Arduino Mega and Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno in the market, which is of 440 rupees and Mega is of 900 rupees. So there be a slight money difference. So in the result, contains the working of a smartphone connected to the Bluetooth module, RFID device and the voice control mechanism was properly and unlocked the door and fast receptive as per the human.